Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install a GPU driver, VGA driver properly for old and new VGA. So if you just bought new VGA or if you just built a brand new PC, you can install the driver first. For example, if you are VGA, the Nvidia users, you can go to the Nvidia.com to try to search the driver manual. For example, if you have product series the RTX series, you can go with this manual search. You can type your product here, for example the RTX or GeForce 16 series, GTX this one, the value, Windows 10 64-bit, English US, download type all, start search, and this is the result. You can download the latest driver by Nvidia GeForce. So you can download the driver here. You can download this one, also this one, the game ready one, this is. And if you are the AMD users, you can download manually the driver with the auto detect tools here. Auto detect and install driver update for AMD series. So you don't need to search manually like this. You can download auto detect. But if you prefer manually, so you can search manually your AMD here. So you can browse product, for example a graphic. Try to search the Radeon RX series, for example the RX 600, for example this one, submit, and this is the driver based on operating system. Here we go, AMD software Adrenaline edition revision number 24.7.1. this is the newest one, so you can download manually here. So if you're there is a special case. If you are use a APU or built-in graphic card, by you can try to browse product by processor, Ryzen, and try to search the Ryzen 500 or 300 or 400 with G here. For example this one, 5600G, submit, and this is the driver. So this is the latest driver or Adrenaline 24.7.1. You can download it manually. So you can download and follow the steps. So it's very easy, and restart your computer. But if you want to if you have a Nvidia or Radeon and you want to change the VGA, for example you are Nvidia user and want to change, you want to upgrade into the AMD one, you have to uninstall first the driver. So for example your GPU is Nvidia here, please use this, install this DDU, display driver uninstaller, so you can clean and shut down for installing new graphic card here. So you can use this clean and shut down. You can click and wait for a minute to DDU complete installations, and then computer will turn off and you can change the brand new GPU to put in your motherboard. After that you can install the driver that you downloaded before. So but if you use for AMD to AMD, for example I do have AMD on my PC and I want to update my driver, do not use this clean and shut down, just clean and restart here. So you can clean and restart and update your driver after your computer is restart. But there is a recommendation for you. Please enable safe mode. You can I use this display driver uninstaller in safe mode. So you can shut down your computer and hold the shift button here to go to the safe mode. After that, you can restart and go to the normal mode. So install the driver that you recently downloaded. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.